Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to learn how to make healthy FPVM balls, fiber, protein, vitamin, mineral balls that are healthy for your gut, antibacterial, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and all this together, put together, and I have come up with a recipe to make this healthy, rich vitamin, protein, minerals, and fiber-rich balls at home that you can take every day and improve your health. For this recipe, first thing we're going to take is sunflower seeds. So when we talk about sunflower seeds, they are rich in vitamin E, folate, zinc, copper, and fiber. And take this, I'm taking here about a cup of sunflower seeds. All these seeds to be roasted finely on a low flame and turned into fine powder. And the second ingredient I'm taking is pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are rich in protein, fiber, magnesium, antioxidant, potassium. So even repeat the same process for roast them on a low flame and turn them into fine powder. And the third ingredient I'm taking is sesame seeds. Sesame seeds helps in fighting infections, controls blood sugar, helps in pain reducing, and helps in arthritis, healthy digestion, and it has gut microbiome, which helps your gut functioning. Here the next ingredient is chia seeds. Chia seeds are rich in calcium, antioxidants, and rich in minerals. Here I'm taking about a cup of chia seeds. Roast them on a low flame, turn them into a fine powder. The next ingredient is pistachios. Pistachios are having healthy fats. They're rich in fiber. They're cholesterol free. Helps with cognitive functions. Helps in keeping a good eye health. Our next ingredient is almonds. Here I'm taking almond flour, which I bought it from Sam's Club. This is totally organic. So here I'm taking about 1 cup of almond flour. Roast the flour on a low flame. The same thing, keep it aside. And these almonds are rich in iron and vitamins. It is good for your skin health and rich in protein and fiber. Our next ingredient is cardamom. These are cardamom seeds. I'm using this to add natural aroma to the recipe, and also this is rich in antibacterial and also helps with the oral health, helps in reducing ulcer formation in stomach, and also rich in melatonin. Here I'm taking about 1/4 cup of fennel seeds. This is also an optional, but it adds a nice aroma to this recipe, and also it helps in reducing anxiety, and also rich in fiber. So this is an optional one, but I'm adding to this. Here I'm roasting 1/4 cup of cardamom seeds and fennel seeds together, and finally once they are roasted on a low flame, turn off the stove, and once all the ingredients are turned cool, then you're going to add all these ingredients to your blender and turn them into a nice fine powder. This is how it looks. Once your powder is ready, transfer them to your pot. Now the next ingredient I'm taking is beetroot powder. This is organic powder. This beetroot powder is rich in potassium, iron, and fiber. It adds a nice color, and also rich in iron and fiber. So I'm adding all this. I'm taking about 1 cup of beetroot powder. Now mix all the ingredients pretty well. So this is our final look of our protein, vitamin, mineral, and fiber rich powder. And you can keep it as a powder, store in a tight container in the refrigerator, or you can turn them into molds like a meatball size. You can turn them into a meatball size balls, these rich protein vitamin balls, and store them in a tight container and refrigerate them. You can use this for about a month or 2 months if you keep them in the refrigerator. So this is really good for your health. You can save a lot of money by preparing them at home and using them. And the other fact is you can use this in your smoothies. You can take for adults, you can take per day a tablespoon. You can eat these balls like that, a ball about 1 tablespoon. And there's another option, you can add sugar. I haven't added any sugar to this. You can add brown sugar or natural dates to this, or raisins to this, to add more sweet flavor to it. So it's your choice, it's an option for you. And definitely this is going to be a huge benefit for you, for your health. So I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.